What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I got a new pair of boots in the mail from Indy Ridge. Let's get into it, baby. So as you know, riding season is in full swing. It is a little cool out here in Northeast New Jersey, but it's starting to get warmer and it's starting to get nice out. By saying that, I want to show you what I got in the mail here. I got these Indy Ridge boots. These are called the Night. These are warmer weather riding boots. And the reason why I say that is, let's take them out of the box and I'll show you. It's part of the Wingman collection. But let me show you real quick why these are summer riding boots. Of course, I had to get the black on black, as you can see right there. Look at that. The reason why these are summer riding boots, because of this word right here. Ventilation. Now these boots are ventilated, but they still give you the protection that you need when you ride. These do feel a little lighter than the other Indy Ridge boots I have, and those are full-on boots, but this doesn't sacrifice any protection. This still has a reinforced toe box. It still has ankle protection on the lateral and medial side, but like I said, right here is the ventilation. For those hot riding summer days, you're gonna need that. I'm gonna be honest with you, with the other boots, I took them out and it was about a 75, 80 degree day and my feet were sweating. But later that day, it did rain. So the waterproof protection on that was awesome. Now these, obviously, they can't be waterproof because they're ventilated. This is a great shoe to have, especially when you're riding in those hot weather situations. So I ride a Harley, and you know these air-cooled V-twins, they get hot really fast. So this will be a nice upgrade to have when I go riding. But first, before I try to put them on, let's give it a sniff test. Now, what does it smell like? It smells like summer. Now, from the old boots, I did get an 11. I did have to go down in a size because I felt like those were just a touch big. This time, I got the size that I rock in sneakers, a 10.5. Usually, the reason why I get the 11s because I have a wide foot, but these are American cut, and I feel like these will fit fine. I could just get my regular size in a 10.5. Let's try these bad boys on. For a riding shoe or riding boot, you know, you're looking for that Goldilocks of comfort and style and protection, and I feel like these boots check all those boxes. You know, as we ride through the season, as I ride year over year, hand over fist, every year, you know, you're trying to look for something that will last long and protect you. And you know, I don't want to sacrifice wearing sneakers on the motorcycle, which I've done. And also, I feel like these would fit nice because they feel a little lighter. I could ride these with the Honda that's sitting back here. Even the tongue on the inside right here is ventilated, so that'll be nice, especially if you're cruising down the highway. It still has the same sole as the other Indy Ridge boots I have. It's the same color, black on black, which I like. They do come in a different, have like almost like a gumshoe bottom, like an orange tan, like a tan bottom on here, the other style, but I like the black on black. I feel like, you know, as you use these, as you progress with these, you know, they are going to get dirty. They are going to get beat up. I feel like that sole, which I could be wrong, you know, if you just wear the boots and not take care of them, it's going to just become black anyway, so might as well just get black. And that's my opinion. But let's grab this out. There we go. So most of the time during the summer, I ride with ankle socks. So this will be how I would ride in the summer. Ankle socks. Usually don't wear high socks with this. Oh yeah, that fits nice. Fits nice right there. These are a little stiff right now, obviously. They are a little, ooh, they feel nice and light, to tell you the truth, compared to the other ones I have. And as they should be, you know, these are ventilated, probably less material, less weight, but that feels nice on the left foot here. Let's tie them up. Ooh, that is nice and light. Again, I said they're a little stiff right now because obviously they're brand new, but these will definitely break in nice. The presentation of these boots of the boots that they give you is top notch. Like I said in the previous video, they remind me of almost getting a pair of Jordans, because when you get a pair of Jordans, you know, you get the nice box. Actually, this box is actually nicer than actual Jordan boxes. They give you a nice, right here it says Steely Eyed Missile Man by Yuri Smith, right there. So that's pretty nice box right there. But and this is the Wingman boot collection, premium leather, ventilated, nice little tag on here. See that? Ventilated. Now for me, the test of if the shoe really fits is the right foot. As a person that likes shoes and sneakers, I always try the right foot first, and it kind of lets me know if it really going to fit correctly, because I feel like my right foot is a little bit wider than my left, and I always try the right, because if it fits in the right and it's comfortable, I usually get the shoe. Nice premium feel again on the inside against the ankle. As I wear this one, the left one, you know, like I said, I'm wearing ankle socks, and it feels nice to the touch of on my skin, nothing rough. I'll put this one on. Yep, slides right in. Again, these have the ankle protection. It comes all the way up here on the medial and the lateral side. You're not sacrificing any protection. And you can wear these on and off the bike. Look at that. It's pretty nice. They have a nice little curve to it too, for maybe the step. Like I said, my right foot's a little bit wider, so it's not tight, it's not cutting circulation or anything. It's not uncomfortable. These fit perfect. Now with the 11s, the 11 boot I have, it was a little bit longer. I felt like it slid in a little bit easier, but these are just as fine. And I don't have them laced all the way up. But yeah, has a nice cushion inside all day. You could wear this on and off the bike. It's almost like a step below the boot and a step above a sneaker. That's what it feels like to me right now. You get the nice thick sole. Yeah. And they're ventilated. Keep you nice and cool in the summer months, and you're not sacrificing protection. Reinforced toe box, like I said, and reinforced ankle. So these are called the Night, the ventilated ones. Check them out on Indy Ridge, USA.com. Great company to work with. I actually did get these from them to test out, and we are going to test them out. With the other ones I did test them out. I love them still. I would still use them. I've been a couple days, I've been on and off the bike, wore them all day, no fatigue. And this one probably is going to be the same thing, I'm going to be honest with you, but lighter. I can tell you right off the bat, they feel lighter. So these boots are feeling really, really nice. But I got one more thing I got from Indy Ridge, and it's right in this bag. Right here are the Indy Ridge Powersports gloves. These gloves are for the summertime and riding. I got these because obviously sometimes I do have a bad habit of not wearing any gloves on the bike because sometimes it's hot out. You know, I try to make a conscious effort to wear gloves now because you never know when you go down and you need some sort of protection. So these right here, these Powersports gloves are nice because you got ventilated fingers right here. These are all ventilated right here, and on the back side of the hand, you still got the knuckle protection right there. And you also have slide protection on the palm of the hand. And what I like about these have a nice giant opening with the Velcro strap. The index finger works good with a phone. So let's try this. Wow, these are actually very nice form fitting. Now compared to some other gloves, yeah, this seems like a little bit bulkier for summer riding gloves, but you know what? For all the protection you get with this glove and all the ventilation, it'll definitely be fine. Actually, when you squeeze your hand, you got more ventilation here in the knuckle area. The palm is nice. You have a nice Velcro strap right there. These are an extra large. I think these fit a little bit better than the actual other denim and black ones I got. The denim and black ones, the fingers felt a little long and they're full on leather. I feel like I could stretch these a little bit. I could force my hand all the way to the top of the finger, and you get all the protection that you need if you ever go down. So let's try the other one. Yeah, that feels nice. Same thing. Actually, my fingers touch all the way to the end now, which it kind of feels nice. Let's take out the phone. Let's see if it works with the phone on the hand here. Yep, it works. Sliding through all my notifications that I don't look at. But yeah, that's nice. So like I said, I needed something for the Honda and for the Harley. These feel nice and light. Now, I do have other pairs of gloves that are lighter than this, but they don't give you as much protection that these do. And you know what? The name of the game, especially, you know, I don't want to sound old, but the name of the game is just protecting yourself. You know, I know a lot of people write out on t-shirts and write out all these things, but you know what, at the end of the day, you got to protect yourself in case you go down, and these will definitely do the trick. And these will definitely do the trick too. So there you have it, guys. I got a little bit of some new gear for the riding season coming up. Definitely going to take these out. I'm definitely still going to rock the other boots by Indy Ridge. I'm definitely still going to rock the other gloves by Indy Ridge because I feel like now when I do go on longer trips, now I'm ready for anything. As you know, when you become a motorcycle rider, they don't tell you this, you become a professional weatherman. So as you go through each state, riding down to Florida, riding across country, riding anywhere, you do look at the weather a lot. If something comes up, it's a nice sunny day, but you travel about 200 miles and the clouds are coming in, just kick these off, put the waterproof boots on, take these off, put the leather gloves on, and you're ready to go for the rain. Throw your raincoat on, throw your rain pants on, and you're ready to keep riding. So these are definitely a part of when I do take longer trips, these gloves, these boots, and the other Indy Ridge products I have. So I can't wait to test them out. I will definitely give you a review, first ride review with these. That will be coming up in another video. But anyway, guys, if you like today's video, please hit that like button. If you do hit that like button, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. And if you do subscribe, please hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will let you know. So check out the new gear that I got. Woo! From Indy Ridge. I'm gonna put it to the test like I did with the other boots. I still have a long-term review with the other boots. I'm still working on it, and I can't wait to show you that video too. That video will be in the works, as it is in the works, but at the same time I'm going to be using these two in the hotter months of the season. So I'll see you down the road. Peace.